To turn off read receipts on Messenger so that people won't know when you've read their messages, open your Messenger app, and then at the top left hand corner you're going to see three horizontal lines. Tap on it. Then you're going to see the settings icon at the top right hand corner. Tap on it. Then you scroll down a bit until you get to privacy and safety. Tap on it. Then under privacy and safety you're going to scroll down a bit, and when you get to what people see, you're going to see read receipts. Tap on it, and then you're going to see the options show read receipts. So you're going to tap on it to toggle it off or on. So because we want to turn it off, we're going to toggle it, and it will turn gray in color, which is a sign that we've turned it off, so people won't be able to see when you've read their messages. Now the downside is that you won't be able to see when they've also read yours, so the choice is yours to either turn it off or turn it on. This could be useful when you want to maintain some privacy, or you don't want to attend to some messages because you're currently busy even though you've read it, so you don't want to hurt them or make them feel you are keeping them waiting, so you turn it off. If you got value in this video, do well to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification button so you don't miss out of my subsequent content. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you in my next video. Later.